Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, sir. Well, as you can see, man, just look at the LCD and look to your left, the upper left, you can see Ninjaman and a camel. And Ninjaman beats a camel in looks. And below that now is Ninjaman, big shot American liar. She kind of look, I don't know if I tan she tan or them thing there, you understand, she white. Yeah, so you know that we at the Jamaica Young Police channel know that Ninjaman, the convicted killer, Ninjaman, big shot American liar, sued Jamaica Young Police channel for defamation of character of the Dan Gargan, gun pan teeth, bad man, serial killer. Can you believe that? Ninjaman has sued the Jamaica Young Police channel, say boy, for him reputation, you understand? So we are telling you them thing about Ninjaman, sir. So in this chilling tale, we delve deep into the life of Desmond Valentine, also known as Ninjaman, a name that has instilled fear into the hearts of many Jamaicans for nearly 4 decades. Throughout his career, that a Ninjaman, the man beside the camel, for nearly 4 decades throughout his career, Ninjaman has not only claimed to be a serial killer with an arsenal of firearm, guns in a house and gun pan, teeth and everything. It's all about celebrating, killing people and kill them for fun. So now the man say must sue for defamation of character. He must say, boy, no man, my character, me's a man, me never do nobody nothing on them thing. All of them thing the way police them say about me, and question me for murder, arrest and charge me for murder. Me never kill nobody. And although me convicted under a prison for murder, I lie them I tell. But I'm here to kill the man, but you understand. So I hope the family of the man where Ninjaman kill, because Ninjaman have money, sue to get some money, just like how Lizard family sue Vibes Cartel and them a get money. So them need for the man when Ninjaman and him son kill, them need for sue Ninjaman, because Ninjaman have money, because him have big American liar. So the American liar I control Ninjaman money. So so the family can pursue the lawsuit now to get some money. Because you understand, whether the youth were dead, have money, have children, or him have parents, so them can forget some reparation from Ninjaman. So Ninjaman big shot white American liar, say alright there, she send the thing to the Jamaica Young Police channel. So we respond to her. It's not a layman term on them thing, because we have our liar them too, and you soon see our liar them on them thing. We're not even contact with liar them yet to make them deal with them. I said, because we know say this is a hogwash thing. So throughout his career, Ninjaman not only claimed to be a serial killer with an arsenal of gun, but he's unashamedly boasts about his heinous acts, blurring the lines between art and reality through his music. As we embark on this journey, we aim to unmask the true identity of Ninjaman and shed light on the disturbing mindset behind his lyrical content. Known for his unabashed storytelling, Ninjaman leaves nothing to the imagination as he reveals the intimate details of his life as a self-proclaimed serial killer. So anybody who's from Jamaica or a fan of dancehall from Ninjaman time would know that all Ninjaman do about how many people him kill. You understand what I'm saying? So now Ninjaman, Yeah, man, Ninjaman liar. Me no know. Them Ninjaman all of a sudden now, boy, Ninjaman ain't a bad man. Ninjaman a saint. You understand? The only artist in Jamaica would really have any standing when it come on to having a pristine character. You understand? Would be, yeah, like a Shaggy, a Sean Paul, Shabba Ranks. Them the man the police never talk to them the man they yet about anything. You understand? You never hear Sean Paul name called with no road boy and them thing. They call them man they are uptown youth and smart. You understand? So, you know, see it. So Ninjaman, a man we have a record in a public, you know, for criminality. I say him sue for defamation of character. So I would like to know how the lawyer them reach him in a prison so fast. You understand? So through interviews, testimony, and extensive research, we strive to separate facts from fiction and provide a comprehensive account of Ninjaman's terrifying persona. From his rise to infamy within the Jamaican music scene, to the Jamaican music scene, to the impact of his music on his fans and society as a whole, this video explored the deep-rooted fascination with darkness and violence that surrounds Ninjaman. Tell me now, who no know Ninjaman know what we are saying the Jamaica Young Police Channel is true? So join us as we peel back the layers of this enigmatic artist and delve into the mind of a proclaimed serial killer. Yeah, man, an alleged proclaimed him say it, you know, a Ninjaman. I tell you how much people him killing, a gun pan teeth, house a gun, and him tell you him all bring all gun come on stage. Come give Renita Adams, say boy, this is one of him gun, and him have whole heap of gun more for kill where him where you understand. Him do that as thing, you know. I show the Jamaican people say, oh, everything what me I say in my music, you know, me not talk, me not go say the talk, you know. I say walk, me I walk the walk, you know. See one of my gun here and bring a 9mm loaded pan sting on the stage and give it to Renita Adams. Yeah, man. Whether you want to say it was, you know, it was a show. But him a show you say him have him gun them, cause him always talking and say him have him house a gun and him have gun pan teeth, dan gargan and him kill people and him kill them for fun. You understand? So as you see, you know, you can say, yeah, him better looking on it, Ninjaman beat the camel right here in a look. So look on it, yeah. You understand? So him know. So him say, boy, defamation of character. And it's not a joke. So we continue the journey, you know. You understand? So join us as we peel back the layers of this enigmatic artist and delve into the mind of the proclaimed serial killer. Him say it, you know, Ninjaman tell the Jamaican people, you know, say him a killer, you know, and him, you understand? And we see him rap sheet every time when him arrest and charge murder in a Jamaica, charge rape, and him charge this, yeah, him liar. I say, boy, all of them think they are lie. Yeah, female liar, you know, yeah. So brace yourself for our chilling exploration that will leave you questioning the blur boundaries between truth, fiction, and the impact of artistic expression. So this lawsuit only serves to diminish Ninjaman's character. Yeah, so you know, in a criminal world, not only with us, you know, say in a criminal world now, you know, say, them not respect for him right now in a prison. Because, you know, them say, hey, you know, say Ninjaman a big informer to now. You understand? If you say, oh, him man a serial killer. When him that prisoner and about so much people him kill. So, if you're there a prisoner, you boast how much people you kill, you say it all in your music and all them things there. But now, you say, boy, oh, me never kill nobody and them things there. Not even, so, you know, say, that's why we tell you, say, Vibes Cartel smarter than him, you know. That's why we tell you, say, him couldn't write the letter. Because you think, hey, Vibes Cartel have sense, you know, because them man have to maintain them street cred as a known killer upon the street. And the man in a hide and all them things there. But see him, yeah, man, the camel man say, boy, hey, defamation of character. I know all Joel and the man there, you know, say all the man in all respect, you know, say them have box him down. In a prison where them see this guy, in a Jamaica, you know, when you're a criminal and killer, you know, walk away from that there persona. You have to maintain it, your street cred. So now I'm not on a street cred and them thing, because I must say, wait, how can I inform about this and all them thing about how him kill people for fun? And I say, oh, yeah, you understand what I'm saying? So, you know, so him go down to prison and them saying, so boy, you frame me to one of them thing there. Yeah, after a youth, you know, we testify against him, we escape the morning. You understand? So, we continue the journey, you understand? So, how can someone who spent decades boasting about their killing spree suddenly expect us to believe they have a pristine character? So Ninjaman expect, Ninjaman, you know, Ninjaman lawyer expect the whole of we, you know, for be fool, you know. We not no sense. Because them expect say we over here, yeah, we and the Jamaican people and the people in the diaspora and around the world drinking sympathy coffee and sympathy tea and sympathy soda and sympathy champagne. And because them know say, you know, Jamaican people and all, you know, we have been socialized, cultured, and nurtured, yeah man, to be criminal-minded people and sympathetic to criminals, so that them are right pan now. So them say, whole of we are idiot. But look here, we are the Jamaican young police and we are not idiot. Because we were a detective and we the station at Huntsby. Ninjaman live in a Huntsby police area, you understand, in a St. Andrew South and all over the place. And look here, we can't even tell you this. Ninjaman even admit, and we are telling you this now and them thing there. And we are doing a video about it. Admitted, yeah, that this most wanted man did name Kojak. And we make it listen to all the man. Yeah, that was the man when Sprat shoot off a Kojak. Yeah, and Ninjaman, I was in at the house up by Dunrabin, yeah, with Rock Steven, go check him one day, and him have 2 white women in the house. I don't remember I address in a Dunrabin, because me never like Ninjaman, because I don't like people who boast about killing other people, murder them and them thing, and support them thing. He's a law-abiding citizen. And him, Ninjaman, so him, that was 1993. And him boast and all them thing, oh, him run 100,000. 100,000 are enough money, you know. Him say it, you know. I was there, you know. So him run 100,000, and the police when he on Kojak was Sprat shot, you know, and the bullets got in him forehead, you know. And you understand, and graze him. And him say, Ninjaman say, him make the police get 100,000 if you not testify. So, you understand? So the policeman, yeah, named Kojak. And I see him policeman where them say collect all money from all dog paw and them thing there. I saw them put him back in a uniform. And the policeman migrate come to Canada. You understand? Him go to Canada and drive from Canada, end up in a New York, and end up go check Virgin them where I sell drugs, I end up in a jail. And them have him a jail for how long and them thing there. Him lose him papers at Canada because him did out of the country for more than 6 months. So him can't go back to Canada. And then now him dead and police them beat him, lock him up, and every minute him, may I tell you about what him tell me, you know. Yeah, every time when him got a court and them thing there, them charge him for something else because they want to keep him in a jail and him, you understand, keep Kojak in a jail. You understand? And then after everything, then deport him back to Jamaica. I don't even know or think that the American government allow Kojak to come back in America because drugs people who are dealing in drugs him they go check. You understand? And police, FBI and NYP they did it. So Ninjaman boss say him give that policeman the money, and the policeman now come back because him left for work and them thing there. But the thing is that now with Kojak, he was on vacation. So a good thing he never resigned. Because if he did resign, he would go back to Jamaica and never have no work and them thing there. So when him come back to Jamaica now and them thing there, him that before, yeah, I was so tell about that and them thing there. So a Ninjaman did say it, you know. I was in at the house when Ninjaman I tell Rocky. Because him and Rock Stevens, the police used to work it. Them grew up together. You understand? So when I tell about now, the pie in the sky thing and Nancy story, I tell about where we see, hear, and feel. You understand? Ninjaman can't ever say, he give me $1. Me a one police where never take nothing from him. You understand? Me not like people who boast or support people for killing other people. You understand? And the reason is that his mouth is filthy. I mean, not deal with people like them. So right now, if you look at your LCD and your screen now, you can see, yeah, so that are the letter now from Ninjaman, white lawyer, big white American lawyer. And it shows, yeah, it says, notice to Caesar and desist. Immediately remove videos. We are telling Miss Big Shot lawyer, we now remove none. Because we now tell a lie upon Ninjaman. Ninjaman in a prison. Ninjaman is a convicted murderer. And we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we know it for a fact. So Ninjaman is a carousing. We not ask nobody, we are tell you. You understand? And we know how the Jamaican culture work. And we know if we do them thing, because we could always tell lie to people, them and them thing, if you get views. We need that. I truth we over here and them thing. You understand? Because when Ninjaman will do no them thing, Ninjaman will diminish him character as a boastful serial killer. You understand? Yeah. So I don't know, yeah, you know, see, I don't know if maybe Ninjaman will come, I don't know if he might come out now and say, oh, he don't know nothing about this and them thing. Because, you know, in a criminal world, you know, this, you know, bad something to see him. Yeah, you understand? Him now, you lose credit. Because in a Jamaica, you know, when you're a criminal, you know, you have to be criminal right up to the end. Anytime like you reach near to the end and you come back off, nobody now no respect for you. So you know no respect in a criminal world. Because Jamaica is a criminal's paradise, you know. I just saw it go, you know. Cause like all Ninjaman, like how him convicted for murder, him have big respect in a prison cause them know how much time him be charge, how much time him come a prisoner and come out. As a youth, rightfully say, Ninjaman nah no ambition. And it dead upon the thing. Cause I say, boy, which father you know go commit crime and kill all him own son. And then him and him son end up a prison for the same crime. I want a man with no ambition. Eli said that a lie. How is that a lie? A man, you carry your own son go commit crime, and you and your son in a prison for the same crime. You can't. That can't be ambition. So that me I tell you, them a normalize all them thing there in the society. So yeah. So hope you read that all them thing there. That's one I first that I a letterhead from the lawyer. What them I tell we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel. And me see my name down this one, all them thing there. You understand? Yeah. So big news is now in Jamaica. Alright, so you understand. So yeah, so currently Ninjaman find himself. So Ninjaman want the world to say him have a pristine character. Yeah. And remember say man that prison, you know, convicted for murder, you know. This is a man for decades, you know, I tell you, you know, how many people him kill and him rinse him gun and him kill people for fun. So here now, so look on your LCD now. So this is the letter now where him lawyer, yeah, him lawyer write and say defamation for libel and slander. We no hey look, we no libel and see my name there. And the Jamaica Young Police Channel. And she said, boy, she named Nikki Bogle. Nikki T. Bogle. That are the white woman, you know, where you see upon the thing, you understand? The white woman upon the front. Yeah, the white woman. She named Nikki Bogle. The one is a white American woman and them thing there. So, yeah. You know, so you can read it for yourself and them thing there. Well, we can't even read it. So this is how it says. It says, alright, read Ninjaman, defamation for libel and slander. We read it, and everybody can read and them thing there. So dear Christopher Porter, dear Christopher Porter on Jamaica Young Police Channel. My name is Nicky T. Bogle, Esquire, and I am the managing attorney for Bogle and Chang law firm. So you know the Chang must be Chinese people. And maybe it's a black Chinese too. Or a white Chinese, because that woman Bogle, at first me I say a Bogle white and all them things. Because Bogle normally, well, you know, say, remember say all our name derived from slavery and them things. So from the slave owners them. Yeah, I just saw it go. You understand? So most of we don't even know where history, unless we do DNA, if you know which part where ancestors, where, you know, where DNA arrive from. Alright, so this is, so she said now, sir, I am the General Counsel to Ninjaman Entertainment Corporation. Our client, Ninjaman, Mr. Desmond Ballentine, is an highly respected music professional and has spent his life building an international superstar music career and reputation. Nevertheless, our lawyers have been informed and as witness from reviewing your posted content that you have been maliciously spreading egregious false statement, outrageous lies, unfounded callous accusation and other inaccurate information that is damaging Ninjaman professional career, personal character, reputation, and livelihood. Under the law of the United States, the states of Florida, country of Jamaica, and international community law, it is unlawful for any individual or company to make public defamatory statements. It is illegal to make false statements that are injurious, harmful to the profession, reputation, or livelihood of another party without factual evidence or based on hearsay. So, alright, so we'll just address the part there and them thing, because everything that we have said about Ninjaman is just based on police information, intelligence, you understand, and all of the things that's in the media Jamaica. You understand? And with Ninjaman say in his own words and his own music. And Ninjaman always about so many people him kill. Him have house a gun and how much people and him kill people and this and that. And how we say it. And Ninjaman, you understand? So if he's now what? I try now to say him shame. When this man I say him unashamed for years how many people him kill. Al Shabba him tell how him kill him and how many people him kill and how him shot people and remember say him did all kill all the taxi man in the car, you know? Yeah, and the charge sheet, you know. So no him have pristine character. Nah man, hey look here. I worst Ninjaman hold on. Ninjaman one the worst killer ever in the out of Jamaica. No man, Ninjaman have no credibility in a gangster world. Not even no criminal at Jamaica now go have no respect for him. All in a prison now. Ninjaman is a man baby. Men baby, big time. You were convicted for murder. I say, a year. Which part Ninjaman have an international superstar career? Ninjaman can't even, I'm Jamaica Ninjaman can't go. Nobody else, no country, no want Ninjaman in them country. Ninjaman pretty much is a bad man and them thing. Nobody no want him. Because Ninjaman are carousing. And we say that without no apology. Everything that we have said about Ninjaman is the truth. We don't tell lies to people. And we say it from base and our background as a detective. I know Ninjaman personally. That's why I tell you about when Ninjaman say about Derek Spratt and the policeman named Kojak. No guy couldn't shoot her for me. I almost kill me and me collect money and them thing. But if I show you some police are licky, you know. And the same policeman after him and I'll get back to work, you know. And get a promotion to sergeant, you know. As based on information received up to, you know. I him see him and collect money, you know, from all with dog paw, and a dog paw beat one case, and I saw him end up go back in a uniform. Was it worth it? You might tell us, say I lie, them I tell. Say I fight cowboy. Say I fight cowboy, them I fight him. So we're not even, yeah. So we continue now. So this is not now. So here where the liar now say now. That a Ninjaman liar. Because we are read for some people, you know. Because we soon go back and continue our thing. So the liar say now, your egregious and outrageous defamatory statements to get views and money include, but not limited to, the following videos posted publicly by Jamaica Young Police. Yeah, so this is how I say, Ninjaman is a serial killer, false and egregious lie. And Ninjaman said all the time on stage, in a music, and based on what police, and based on the amount of times Ninjaman have been questioned by the police as an alleged serial killer. Yes, we never say Ninjaman a convicted serial killer. We say he is an alleged serial killer. So you need to listen to the video. We never say Ninjaman a convicted serial killer. Yeah, a convicted serial killer is a man convicted for more than one. Vibes Cartel, arrested and charged for many murders. He was convicted for one, Lizard murder. The other one, them, yeah, Brian Lego Sykes let him go on them thing. Because you know it go to Jamaica, paper bag, Sunday, and coffee and gleaner. You understand? Yeah, so Brian Lego Sykes, because you know Jamaican, our system corrupt. So that's why, look, you save the Evidence Act, if you save Vibes Cartel in some like a corals, in some ordinary little youth. Yeah, you say Brian Lego Sykes, if you not get the money, you know, allegedly, you know, you say Brian Lego Sykes now, if Vibes Cartel never have the money for them run and paper bag pass some hand to hand and them thing there, yeah. And then make the paper bag them, yeah, like a patty bag, big bag, you know, big paper bag with whole heap of money. Yeah, I saw him get for beat all a murder case there. Well, Evidence Act that is used, you know, in a law, you know, you understand, the witness them, yeah, police them say them can't find the witness them. And he must say, yeah, boy, we now use the Evidence Act for convict him and let him go on him thing there. Yeah, and then people say, boy, look, and my family that dead, you know, and him kill my family, him and the next man them, and Brian Lego Sykes let them go. But we know, we as a detective know the Jamaican system is corrupt. Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. So there is no, the most corrupted entity in Jamaica, and we are tell you, is FLA. FLA is far most corrupted than the court. The court that is led by the alleged by the Chief Justice, who never see a criminal, a PMP criminal we never love yet. Brian Lego Sykes. We are telling that. You understand? Alright, look all entire liberty and him brother them the charge of murder. So long them stay at jail, them not get bail, you know. I say all a man charge all 8 counts of murder and get bail. So that for sure, you know, I just saw it going, you know. I saw for them system work. You know, could have ball blood. So we are continuing now. So this is our Ninjaman liar. So that one I bulletin now. So it say Ninjaman is the mastermind behind the killing of DJ Paned, false and egregious lie. Nobody never say him are the mastermind. We say allegedly. Allegedly. And it's based on information and intelligence and based on the police, them interrogation and from eyewitnesses and all them things. That's why them question Ninjaman about it. So that is not false. Are you inject and try to twist things? So he said Ninjaman did not write his letter to the Prime Minister of Jamaica false. And the Ninjaman write it. No, a woman contact me and say she write it for Ninjaman. Me not even mention nothing about a woman. Me say Ninjaman not bright for write it. If I did Vibes Cartel, and me say we don't apologize. Because I know Ninjaman don't. Alright, so you say Ninjaman plagiarized the letter from the writer Bertnell Stewart. False. Look, he never take the whole light on them thing there. Because we have the letter from Bertnell Stewart and some of the talking points them. And then now you're the same person now with Bertnell. So boy, words are words and people can't use words. But yes, you have to understand how plagiarism works. And a Ninjaman do it. This not, you understand? We just do the video based on where the in the media and them thing there. And what them say. And some of the things them is the same thing where Bertnell Stewart say. So we not telling a lie. You understand? Please, Ninjaman, defamation. Well, you understand? So this is the next thing now where them say. Plagiarism. So them say Ninjaman, non-ambitious lifestyle led his son to prison. False and outrageous lie. Alright, so look here now. What's your name? Nikki Bogle. If your mother, well, I don't know if you have, if your mother is a whore, with us allegedly, if your mother is a whore and police catch your mother in a sting with you and your mother, a cell phone wares, and them what? Your mother is a good mother, your mother no ambition for you to on the charge as whore. So I see him think Ninjaman took him son on a crime spree and then kill a man. I told them that prison for you see him think, how is that an ambitious father? Is what kind of mad people them this? So you say Ninjaman now if you take him son, bring him one son, go up and go kill a next man, and the two of them convicted for murder. And you say that are ambitious? No man, something wrong with your brain too as a liar. We are telling that. You understand? Something wrong with your brain. So we continue. Although there's another bulletin down below that and them thing there. So this now, so we'll move on to the next one now. So this is where the lawyer say now, action steps requested. Immediately remove the videos everywhere posted on social media and other medium regarding Ninjaman's by the end of the day on Thursday, November 30th, 2023. That is yesterday. Remove all content that falsely uses Ninjaman's name. Refrain from further defaming Ninjaman. Issue a retraction and public apology. If you do not remove the videos and cease all related statements, a defamation lawsuit will be filed against you. Hey, look here. May I tell you, say, go ahead and sue me. Yeah, sue me. Yeah, me know Ninjaman personally. And now, like you said that now, and more things we are going to bring up on Ninjaman. Because this is not conjecture. These are things that we know. You understand what I'm saying? We attack from a police perspective. You understand? We attack based on my background as a detective. Ninjaman all carousing. I don't know who you look here. Miss Nikki Bogle and them thing there. Ninjaman not a pristine character. Ninjaman. Hey look, you know one thing when you although you're a big liar America and them thing there. Cause you come to America and go to school as an international student and all them thing there, big white woman from Jamaica, you understand? And yeah, so you say you represent Ninjaman. I don't know what kind of credibility Ninjaman have known in a criminal world because me never hear no bad man a deny a man with boast or him a killer and them all of a sudden him have character where him a protect. What kind of character? The only character Ninjaman have is a convicted murderer. You understand? It's what kind of and look here, and this woman and realize and them thing. It's things that we have some little idiot police and them thing there. Look here, we have Freeway. We have our law firm too. We deal with you. So nobody thinks there's some fool you can run down. And Freeway law firm, large, wide. You understand? Thousands of lawyers. So we soon come down to that and make you see how we attack. Because most of the things that we just there a blow ear and them thing there. You understand? We no shame what we do on them thing there. And we are out. And over here, we don't tell lie upon people. We don't tell lie. Yeah. And look here, you have a thing when you're in discovery. And we want Ninjaman, yeah. We want Ninjaman. Yeah. We want Ninjaman to testify. Yeah, in a court. We don't want a record. We don't want a deposition. We want him come testify in a court. About him character them thing there. Because we know all my left from prison in Jamaica come to America. And Ninjaman live in America. I want to you. And Jamaica have no jurisdiction over me. You talk about Florida and this and that. Look here, you think there's some fool you talk to. I was a detective. Because you think some other out there and I make loose statement for allow myself for all carousing come sue me. Forget what? You understand? Number one, so we just continue the journey. So we are telling them about Ninjaman now. So yeah, so currently Ninjaman finds himself behind bars because he's convicted for murder. Yeah, so Ninjaman is behind bar in a Jamaican prison. Yeah man, I don't know which man in a prison have any character. You understand? So him convicted of murder of an unarmed Jamaican citizens. But this story goes beyond just one man's conviction. So listen now, you know. So I have personally known Ninjaman for over 30 years. And I can't say I ever been a friend. He's a friend of mine. His behavior and disrespect for human life has always been concerning. That I mean, you know, because that kind of person I am, you know, from my youth. As a delinquent and an unambitious father, Ninjaman lured his own son into a life of crime, eventually leading him to prison alongside him. Which why they know his son got prison? I don't know no criminal who encourage them say the only person, the youngest person me know, the only artist who me know in Jamaica where his son in a prison, I'm a father. None of as bad as thing be, none of a bounty killer son, none of bounty killer pit them never go to jail. You understand? And as bad as thing be, the Beanie Man who is allegedly to kill my cousin Bogle, him, none of him pit never go to jail. You understand? Him only been questioned by the police them a half a tree fi kill Bogle. You understand? And we have people who were warning him. So we don't tell lie on people. You understand? So you know see it. And one thing with that we love with America and them thing, they expose the old criminal them. So this is it now. So so now we'll move to the next page of the thing now. So it said this pre-lawsuit letter. In addition, the notice shall serve as a pre-lawsuit letter, demanding that you provide our law firm written assurance by the end of December 1st that you will cease and desist from making any further false statements regarding Ninjaman. We can't tell you. We not tell lie on people, Miss White Lady. Miss White Lady Bogle, Nikki Bogle, we not tell lie on people. Over here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel. Ask Ninjaman. You understand? Yeah. Even we not tell lie on people and them thing there. And Ninjaman will tell you that too. So we not tell lie on people. So I don't know, you understand? I don't know how Ninjaman, you understand? So this is now the threat now. So he said, if you do not comply with this cease and desist request by the aforementioned dates and times, then our law firm shall do the following: contact social media entities, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Patreon, etc. regarding removal of videos by Jamaica Young Police Channel based on defamation, harassment and trademark infringement, and file a defamation lawsuit against Christopher Porter, Jamaica Young Police, and any subsidiaries seeking monetary damage, as well as pursuing all available legal remedies for your unlawful actions. Thanks you in advance for your attention and prompt action on the urgent matter. Sincerely, and our name down there, Nicky Bogle. So we can't tell you now, Miss Bogle, between me and you. Yeah, there's no, you're not going to get no cease and desist and them thing there. You understand? Because we not tell lie on people. So if you think say you're going to use legal terrorism for terrorize we, or when we speak the truth, or for silence we, that not going to work. If a man a criminal, you're supposed to be a proud criminal. All of a sudden now you're not proud. What kind of criminal you be? You have boast on stage, or you have gun on teeth, and you have that. A theme life we are tell about it, and my life. Me a proud law-abiding citizen. Him a proud criminal. So all of a sudden now him, you can't have it both ways. You can't be a criminal and then you want to be law. You know, work that way the man. And that's how it go. Yeah man. So we continue the journey. So yeah man, so we are going to touch back now with the woman and tell you, you know. So we are reminding you know. So as a delinquent and non-ambitious father, Ninjaman lured his own son into a life of crime, eventually leading him to prison alongside him. That can't be an ambitious father. If you and your son convicted for the same crime, you understand, the amount of time where you go to prison already as a father, you're supposed to encourage your son not to delve into a life of crime, because prison is a nice thing. Why you want your son to go to prison? For eat, sleep, and do everything in a CM cell. You shit, you eat and stink and in the stink and sleep with men in a cell. You can't be ambitious. If that's an ambition and them thing, that means boy, look. That means if that's an ambitious behavior, that means the other father them were doing we go to prison and bring them son. And them not no ambition. Because you as a father take your son on a criminal act, and then you and your son end up in a prison. That make you ambitious. No, sir, me rather be unambitious then. You must be mad. How kind of madness and that? Well, Massachusetts, them they still everything up there so upside down, you know. You understand? So, yeah. So we continue the journey, Miss Bogle, the white lady from the big shot American lawyer. You understand? So leading, yeah. So a Ninjaman, you know, Ninjaman, non-ambitious. Him bring him own son to prison. You understand? So the co-defendant. So Ninjaman, you know, Ninjaman's son is a co-defendant in the same murder case. And Ninjaman's son received lesser sentence than Ninjaman and his son. Yeah, so Ninjaman's son get lesser sentence than Ninjaman in a case. So Ninjaman, a dancehall artist, a sadly glorified killing in his trade. He took pride in labeling himself a serial killer, openly admitting to killing people for fun. And him did that, you know, a dead end for the record. So as a former detective at Onsbury Police Station, I have first-hand knowledge of Ninjaman's alleged involvement in several murder cases. He was arrested and charged with murder and other felonies in Jamaica. And he was convicted for the last murder that he was arrested and charged with by Detective Michael Phipps, who is Ninjaman's schoolmate from Castleton School. I'm going to let you hear from all a man where go school with all Ninjaman and tell us, from Ninjaman I go school him not bright. Him not bright. That's why we say, when time we hear them say Ninjaman release the letter, we say, I know Ninjaman because we know say him not bright. Because we talk to him and Ninjaman we know personally. We know Ninjaman more than we know Vice Cartel. 2 times ever see Vice Cartel and talk. And on one time I talk to him. Because me not like people like them and them thing with them kind of behavior there. I just some mistake on them thing. Once me know say you're involved in like killing other people, no, me not in a friend with them. Yeah. So we can't. So this are here the other part of the letter where. So see the woman. So she signed the letter now. Says her name Nikki T. Bogle, Esquire, General Counsel, Ninjaman Entertainment Corporation. So Ninjaman must have a corporation registered in America. That's why she said that on them thing there. You understand? So as we tell you already now, so you know Ninjaman, he was arrested and charged with murder and other felonies in Jamaica, and it's there in a public domain. So the Jamaican society unfortunately elevated Ninjaman's status as a serial killer. It became his claim to fame, a reputation that he embraced and profited from. So right through the years, Ninjaman, who is a dancehall artist, embraced and profit from his fame and reputation as a serial killer for years. And now he want to move away from it. And now he is now in a baffling turn of event, the very same convicted murderer Ninjaman is suing the Jamaica Young Police Channel and myself for defamation of character, claiming he's not a serial killer. This lawsuit only served to further diminish Ninjaman's character. How can someone who has spent decades boasting about their killing spree suddenly expect us to believe that they have a pristine character? This is a man baby trying to change the facts, desperately trying to transform from a convicted killer to a saint. But the truth is, Ninjaman's own words and actions speak louder than his lawsuit. Yeah, so we continue the journey. Yeah, man. So moving on. So the next time you hear the name Ninjaman, remember the irony of his journey from a serial killer boasting. Yeah, from serial killer boasting to defamation lawsuit. And always question the true character behind the image. Yeah, man. So if you haven't subscribed to the Jamaica Young Police channel, yeah, man, I reach this far. Yeah, man, subscribe. Click the notification bell, select all, so that when we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video, you'll be the first one to receive it. Yeah. Select the thumbs up button. There's no like button. Misleading information is thumbs up. Yeah, description and everything. Yeah, thumbs up. Yeah, give the video a thumbs up. Comment below. Tell what you think. Yeah, and those of you who want to share your voice note about this incident, yeah, Ninjaman suing the Jamaica Young Police Channel for defamation of character. A man who has benefited from years as being a serial murderer. Him say it, you know. You understand? To know what now him want to turn around Yeah, more want to turn everything around and for say, boy, yeah, boy, you know, yeah, for decades, you know, the man boasts about his killing spree, you know, and suddenly expect us to believe that he have a pristine character. You understand? So, but the truth, Ninjaman's own words, you know, and actions speak louder than words. You understand? That him, you know, a Ninjaman boasts, you know, how much people him kill and him a gun panty. So yeah, join the Jamaica Young Police channel. If you haven't subscribed to the Patreon channel, yeah man, subscribe, yeah. You understand? So moving on. So on the one and it is undeniable that Desmond Ballantyne, also known as Ninjaman, has a history of violence and has been convicted of murder. So the system, so this now, you know, it's this now everything in the video that we have done about Ninjaman is the truth, and is information received and obtained during investigation as a detective and from other sources. You understand? You know see it, and we always use the word allege. You understand? A Ninjaman boy say him a serial killer, him a gun panty, Dan Gargan. So see it then. So Ninjaman, yeah, this is him now, you know. Ninjaman's record, DJs many brushes with the law. So so we just give you some we just decide something in our public domain, you know. Yeah man. Yeah, in our public domain. Yeah. So I say alright, I tell lie to say him the charge of rape, him the charge of crack, and him a crackhead, and him this and that, all of them things, you go see it on the thumbnail when Ninjaman the charge in a Jamaica. You understand? Him all throw all baby out a car. So you see what I tell you? Up is down and down is up for these people. You understand? So we know this. You understand? So we know the nature of the truth, the role of public figures and the limits of free speech. You understand? We know that. So Ninjaman has a history of violence and has been convicted of murder. Use a gun. His lyrics have often glorified violence, and he has boasted about his involvement in criminal activities. And I mean do it, and Ninjaman do it. So and he has boasted about his involvement in criminal activities. This behavior has undoubtedly had a negative impact on Jamaican society, particularly on young people's mind, thus making them glorify and want to kill people because it sounds pleasing to the ears, but it is a destructive behavior. That's why I don't like Ninjaman. I don't like people like Ninjaman, because I nothing positive now. So we are telling you now, so this is just one excerpt about Ninjaman and them things. So, and everybody will know, so can read, but people can listen. So this is what it's saying. This is something in 2017, November 21, 2017. And it says Ninjaman's record, DJs many brushes with the law. So this is saying, yesterday Desmond Ballantyne, popularly known as Ninjaman, was convicted of the 2009 murder of Ricardo Johnson. And look now, we know at the Jamaica Young Police channel I tell Ricardo Johnson family now. So Ninjaman have a registered company in America, because see woman say she represented. So you people, yeah, the Johnson family, you can sue Ninjaman for get back money. Yeah, for killing your son, your father, your brother, and them thing there. Just like how Lizard family sue Vibes Cartel. Every money where Vibes Cartel get from royalty and them thing there, a piece side goes straight to Lizard family. Yeah, so uno can sue Ninjaman. Because him have company in America hide the money and them thing there. So now uno can get some money and them thing there. For him, for the killing, when him convicted for the murder, are your son, your father, or whatever. Yeah, so uno need to sue him. The Johnson family. Yes, sue him. Because him have money. You understand? Yeah, and at that time, lawyer, she said she had a manager, film company and them thing. I don't know if it registered in America, but that's what she said. Yeah, this big white American lawyer. But the case, which lasted almost a decade, was not the entertainer's first brush with the law. So here are some instances where Ninjaman found himself in trouble with the law. So we soon tell you about that now and them thing. So yeah, so I him this now, you know, so the Johnson family, you know, what them need for doing, you know, them need to pursue monetary damages, you understand, from Ninjaman and his son and the other man will kill your son, Ricardo Johnson. Yeah. And if Ricardo have any children, even them. So all of the royalty them when Ninjaman I get a month time, can I get money see him in although him that jail. From him, you understand, if them play any music and all them things there. So you need to sue him to get all of them money there. Most of them never did know, but now we know. Sue him. Just like how Vibes Cartel been sued by Lizard family, and every month them get money. Every month them get money from Vibes Cartel. So him that prison and a all of money when him get out of road from what him do. Yeah, Lizard family get some of it. Same thing with Jacure when him did rape all the woman and got prison. A Jacure, the woman and Jacure did rape, you know. You see all the woman and Ninjaman did rape to that woman there St. Mary, the security guard and them thing there. Yeah, when him rape. We soon come down to it at knife point. All that the woman if you saw him to and them thing there. The woman when him throw out all the baby when the vehicle drive. All that the woman if you saw him. All of Ninjaman victims them there. We need to sue him now to get some monetary damage. Because in case you know, when people commit crime, they leave trauma, it's psychological trauma, emotional trauma. So we need to sue him. Yeah. Because in Jamaica, them not a statute of limitation down there or anything, you know. Yeah. Anything. So we need to sue Ninjaman to get back some money. So we continue the journey. Yeah, man. So we are telling them, I this now, you know, this I man now, you know. So yeah, so Sissy Ninjaman, you know. So that I from a star, you know, I from one of the people, you know. So dancehall artist Ninjaman, yeah, entering the Arthur Court in 2011. That time him did charge for the murder. Yeah, so July, we give a little brief in a Ninjaman, you know. July 1996, Ballantyne was arrested and charged with possession of a firearm. Ninjaman, who was booked to perform at Sunsplash that year, was denied bail twice in the weeks leading up to the event. It was reported that he was granted bail initially, but it was revoked when the judge learned that he had absconded bail in 1993 for a shooting incident. So this is a man now, you know. So this is a man who have a criminal past, you know. You understand? It's a theme life, you know. So you know, more or less, you know, for him beat all the gun case, you know. Or him never got prison for that. So the police will lock up Ninjaman, more or less him collect money too. And that me I tell you, you know. That's why them only like police like me. And if a good police do all Ninjaman, straight to the departure lounge with the gun. You understand? So we are show you how the system corrupt. So that's why they don't like police like me, because them couldn't buy me and them thing there. So him the charge illegal possession of firearm in a 1996. Which police that did that? I don't and him and police, so no more or less, you know, money run and a Ninjaman walk. So you understand? That's why the people now no feet in some of the police them. Because Ninjaman should have got, because them time the Ninjaman would have get a nice stretch. Because here goes opposition leader then, and them the PMP never get for dismantle the justice system as what they have done after Siaga leave the leader of the GLP party as the opposition leader. You understand? So Ninjaman will get a nice 15, 20 year or 30 year for the gun then. You understand? Legal possession of firearm and ammunition. And you know, so him that prison now, we are telling you this, you know, him that prison and him boast about all that the case there, you know. Yeah, or licky police, how much money him have to give police, boy. Because so him talking, him not talk with respect. But would I like all Ninjaman to tell you, yeah, would I like to know I wish police to charge Ninjaman for gun and make Ninjaman work. Because we know say money him collect. Just like how we, Derek Sprat shoot off a Kojak, him name Robinson. Yeah, man, and we say Paul Robinson, he come from Clarendon on a veer. Yeah, shoot off of him, and the shot, no man couldn't, look here, no man couldn't shoot off of me, and me collect money. You understand? A boy him that England now, you know, named Wayne Mercurius. Police collect all money in that case, you know. Wayne Mercurius shoot off of me, and Kirk Palmer, and Carl Nelson. Him and Carl Nelson used to get stats. And the boy run it and come to America and I try. And married and all them thing there. And you saw him go and interview. Guess what? Yeah, man, I straight them deport him and them thing back to Jamaica. Because we make sure a warrant was out for him. Him a Rasta now in England, you know. Indian Wayne Mercurius. The same player, you know, me go back to Jamaica and the same player, them deport him from America, you know, and you know. I know up to no me go court and testify on the case, and you understand. So I saw the system going on. So the police then collect money all in the case there, you know, that shooting case there, you know. And I can't tell about it in the next case about one boy named Kevin Reader, then called Nankapal. I see him, so all the detective there, you know, were charged Nankapal for shoot off of me and Bobby, you know. Collect money, you know. You understand? And the next thing, you know, see, the boy abscond bail, see the boy one day, and you understand, and the boy start ball out for murder and all them things. And the boy, hold back the boy, and you understand, because the boy, make the boy, him just walk in front of the bike. Can I tell him, I'm not touch him, you know. Because him a ball, even when him a walk and ball, him a ball out for murder and them things there, on Spanish Town Road. You understand, him come from Payne Avenue, yeah, Nankopal. And the next thing you know, the boy walk from the case. I don't know. Me say him to get shot at center and them thing there. Never get a subpoena for go to court. So you saw corrupt police and them thing. I talk about good shooting, you know, boy shoot off away and them thing there. And based on, you know, true you think about old people and them thing there. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. You know, see it. So we in Mercurius now, him a citizen now in our Britain. That we say my Rasta him change and all them thing there. You understand? And the police with the investigating officer collect money in that the case too. You understand? Collect money in the case where the boy shoot off of me and Kirk Palmer that Friday morning. Where the boy named Marlon Lee from 35 lane, him they get shot and him thing there. You understand? And police named Blackwood from Half a Tree they shot him and yeah, and him they get bail and then after that, you know, him got straight to the departure long. I just saw it go. You understand? Even Selvin here, the Deputy Commissioner of Police, he was on the raid that morning. Yeah, so we just make Miss Thing then know what's your name now. So this is one a little part I respond on them thing that we send to Miss Bogle via email. You understand? So we say to her, say, good day. Yeah man, we say Miss Bogle, good day to you. As a former detective of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, who has an extensive intelligence and information about your client, Desmond Ballantyne, aka Ninjaman, front teeth, gold teeth, gun pan teeth, Dan Gargan, a kill people long time, convicted killer who's in prison. You want to sue me for defamation of character. The video has nothing defamatory. You can take that to the bank. I am refreshing the Jamaican people and those in the diaspora about Ninjaman. Do you in your right mind think Ninjaman's reputation was damaged when he publicly disclosed all those statements to be found in discovery? 2. A cease letter should have been given at least 10 to 15 days. This is America and not North Korea or Jamaica. However, I will so make sure you know, boy, me making that my lawyer, they make MetLife legal plan. Yeah, people who work for Uncle Sam, or you retire if you used to work for Uncle Sam, yeah, that are your legal plan and them thing there. So I say out of respect, I am responding to you. Also tell Ninjaman, who is in prison, yeah, that I will be doing a video of him giving a policeman, Detective Constable Robinson of Unsbeer, yeah, that are Paul Robinson, Kojak of Unsbeer Police Station, so as not to testify against one of his crony, a known Don and killer, Derek Spratt, that had made such statement in my presence. Detective Rock Stevens was there when he made such utterance. How are you able to reach a man in prison in Jamaica without going through the prison system? Jamaica is accurately called the criminal's paradise. Have yourself a beautiful day. So that's how we respond to her and say yeah, you know, she right and them thing. And we make sure say, yeah, you can't sue it. So that's our lawyer. You will find we lawyer them in your MetLife legal plan. So in time we tell people and them thing there, because once you work for Uncle Sam and them thing there, or you understand, or you retire from the federal service, that's how your lawyers them there and them thing. If you deal with anything to do with you. So we tell her and them thing there. You understand? Yeah, so eventually, we don't know what got me in the end. Because we know say Ninjaman has a reputation. You can't damage a convicted, you can't defame a convicted murderer. You understand? And a man boast until they say that's all him kill people for fun. So I don't know what she talk about, but I lie. You understand? I don't know. I don't know. I'm some parasite or some scavenger, some I don't know. I'm some people crazy at them thing that would I do something like this, knowing Ninjaman's reputation. I'm on a boss how many people him kill. Really? Come on. You know, you're supposed to have sense, man, and in a seat. And what we know, yeah, and for a white woman and them thing there, we expect better from you, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I just saw it go. So we continue the journey, because this is one long one in Jamaica. And we, you know, as usual over here, we don't break things on gear. Yeah, we don't, you know, we're not again in a part one, part two, and them things. Because we not this, you know, views, you know. Yeah, we not this because we educate the people and tell them the truth. I just saw it go. So anything we give, I just a real mama papa truth. You know the truth hurt only the guilty, and you know the guilty them like the truth because it hurt them feelings. You understand? So no, it's a Ninjaman who want to have him cake and eat it. Him boast, and that's how he making money, you know. You understand? How many people him kill? Him all carry a gun and say him have house a gun. Come give her it Adam on stage. It's on YouTube too. You understand? You know, people of Jamaica. So me don't know what I'm going to do on them thing. What? Yeah, I saw the gleaner too. For outline Ninjaman pass as a criminal, as a man with always in a problem with the law. You can't have it both ways, man. You understand? If you want a pristine character, you have to be somebody like a Sean Paul, who never even been questioned by the police, not even given a traffic ticket. Because Sean Paul is a respectable youth. And him know that as a big man and them thing there. You understand? Usain Bolt and all them youth there. Them know how to be respectful. You know, you them man are glorify. Although Usain Bolt love Vibes Cartel music, but you know, so you know, normally we don't give you, you know, in a part and them thing, but you know, this video it's very, very long, you know, because a lot of information. Because as we say over here, you know, if you're not learning anything over here, at the wrong channel. And those who complaining about the video is too long, this channel is not for people who have short attention span. You know. This is not for people who have goldfishes. Attention, yeah, 15 second or 5 second, your head start to scratch you and them thing, and yeah, you know, say boy, certain YouTubers, them just get to the point fast and them thing there. No, we need yeah, you understand. We educate, we inform, inspire, and aspire people to be their best. So we have come to the end, yeah man, of the part one, yeah man, of the convicted killer, Ninjaman. Yeah man, the convicted killer Ninjaman suing the Jamaica Young Police Channel for defamation of character. When this man have been using the same rhetoric for years that he's a serial killer, murderer, and him boast, and you're going to hear in the next video some of the things that Ninjaman have been arrested and charged with. And you know, say, trust me, you know that some of our police them in Jamaica, and I say it without any apology, they are corrupt, and that's the reason why Ninjaman able to walk away for some of the cases. So we have to give credit to Michael Phipps. Yeah, Michael Phipps, who's from the same, they went to the same school in Castleton. So it's so you know, whether or not you want to believe it, I'll do a Ninjaman them. Same one talks about, yeah, so Michael Phipps is a food man. And look, Michael Phipps never work with the man, no say man a hard working police, and yeah. And we can't say boy the man is a street detective and an ordinary Michael Phipps and an ordinary police. You understand? Although it might not up there with man like Webley, you know, captain, but man, yeah, the man that have them thing, you understand what I'm saying? But you have to give Michael Phipps credit, yeah man, because he's the one that arrested and charged him. My own cousin Donald Zeke Phipps sent me here and sent him to prison. And him and Michael Phipps and Ninjaman went to the same school in a Castleton, St. Mary. You understand? And he's the one that arrested and charged him and them convict him with murder and he's in prison. So the same convicted murderer, Ninjaman, I say boy, him have pristine character. So we won't wait too long to give you part two. So have yourself a beautiful day. This is an hour and yeah. Jamaica Young Police Channel. Hey, and before we're going to further on them thing, we want to big up a brother, you know, named Junior Johnson. Yeah, I want to tell you now, that's one of our loyal viewer and subscriber. When I go talk where him come from and them thing. Yeah, but Junior Johnson, yeah, him tell we, you know, Junior Johnson tell we, you know, say, and even a man who come from Marlwood say, boy, hey, the money, you know, Ninjaman, you know, the money are all PMP. The money are all PMP. Organization, man, you know, and killer, you know. You understand, from back in the days. And you see like how you all go after them, man, them all come at you, you know. So yeah, we stand ready. You understand? And we are telling this white lawyer, yeah, Nicky Bogle, yeah man. Yeah, we are telling this white American lawyer, say, we not cease and desist because we haven't said anything defamatory about Ninjaman. Everything that we have said about Ninjaman is in the public domain. That Ninjaman see man even echo all the time, even when I'm on stage. So I don't know which world you live in. Maybe you're not Jamaican, or maybe you understand. Yeah, I don't know, because you look white, because Ninjaman black, you know, and you look white and them thing. Yeah, you look like a white person. So I don't know. And then now we see after that, now we see you look black. So we don't know if it's you transition from white to black or from black to white. So I just saw it go. We're not going to cease and desist because we are not telling any lies on Ninjaman, as we said, and we said before, we said it already, and we'll say it again. You understand? Yeah. Ninjaman is a convicted murderer and is in prison in Jamaica. So yeah. And everybody afraid of courthouse. Right through my life as a detective, I hold up a court, me go on them thing. I know defamation of character and slander. Anytime I tell lie on people, we haven't tell one lie on Ninjaman. Everything is in the public domain, and Ninjaman, same one repeated. Ninjaman is the same man who was questioned by the police after the killing of Paned. Ask him. Yeah, you understand? So I don't know where you're coming. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel, out.